Guys, it's me Kapish over here. Now, my friend had helped me for everything, so I want you to subscribe to him. Now I'll be passing on the mic to my friend so he can give you a fair idea. Sorry about my voice, I just have a little bit of a cough. So hey guys, it's me Dikash over here, and Kapish has given me this opportunity to promote my channel in his channel. So what happens over here is he told that I could promote my channel because I had helped him a lot with his some important stuff with him, and therefore he allowed me to promote my channel. So my channel's description and my channel's link is below, and there's a video below. If you watch that video and subscribe to me and then comment in that video below, then I will subscribe to you back, and this way we work as a community. And thanks to Kapish for this wonderful opportunity. Goodbye and thanks.